Welcome to the Piecesanspermis workshop. I'm Julien. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the CVT. Lift your car using a jack and then place jack stands under your vehicle. You can now take off the front tire. A ratchet, a spanner and an extension are needed to block your old CVT and take it off. You can now access the pulley screw. Unbolt it using your extension and don't forget to use a spanner to block its rotation. Everything is ready, you can now take off your CVT. Don't hesitate to hammer your CVT with a wedge, because it can be difficult to remove with your hands. Now you can replace the drive belt. Once your drive belt is in place, you can install the new CVT. Use the spanner to block the rotation of the pulley, as you did to take off the CVT. Tighten as much as possible